So, we've taught the brain how the coffee machine works. Let's put it to the test by switching to Learn mode and letting it guide another user to make the same cappuccino, but without any user conversation, only instructions.
Great, you're at the coffee machine. Let's make a cappuccino. Pick up the coffee cup and place it on the stand. Alright, now press the cappuccino button on the top left and let the machine finish making the coffee. You'll hear the beeping sound again to notify you when it's complete. And there's your cappuccino. Careful, it's piping hot. If you want to add sugar, the sachets are in the box next to where you got the coffee cups. Okay, looks like you've added the sugar. The stirring sticks are just next to the sugar sachets. And there you have it. If you need any other help, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your coffee.
Today, it's a cup of coffee. Tomorrow, it's your entire operation.